I'm here outside my house. This is Celeste with Celeste Blow Ministry, Global Salvation Outreach. You can reach us at globalsalvationoutreach.com. On 6/27, I had a cardinal, which is my state bird, show up, and it did like a little air show, shape shifting. We know from scientists or shape shift, and it's not anything particularly supernatural, although I've had a lot of supernatural experiences. I wanted to share this with you guys because I was discouraged that day, because I had been sick with an ear infection that seems like it won't go away for months, and it showed up, and maybe I watched it do the little maneuvers and the little air show shape shifting it put on. So I hope that you enjoy the pictures and video. Know that God uses animals. Balaam's donkey, we know that the dove descended as a symbol of the Holy Spirit. We're told that we can mount up like eagles. So God can use the animals symbolically and also literally in our lives. So I just wanted to share this. Thank you guys so much. I ask you to please support our work on Patreon. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on Patreon.